Is your hair thinning? And have you tried everything already and it doesn't seem to be getting anywhere? You've tried vitamins, you've tried oils, you tried PRP, and it's not really making much difference. But maybe you're too scared or you're too anxious about going towards that next step, which is a hair transplant. Well, actually, there could be something for you, and it might grow to replace everything else, because the next step when it comes to hair restoration treatments is something called exosomes. Now, what are exosomes? It's very new science, right? It's only been around for a few years. Exosomes can be synonymous with what people know as stem cells, because exosomes are small microscopic vesicles, which are like little packages, which are derived from stem cells. And these vesicles contain over 200 different growth factors and signaling molecules that make changes in your body. In this case, using exosomes specifically for hair causes hair to regrow very rapidly. It's the next step up from PRP. So packed with over 200 different growth factors, proteins, and anti-inflammatory molecules, which makes it a touch better than PRP, and you can get results if PRP doesn't seem to be working for you. Why does this make a difference? Because when we use them specifically for hair follicles, they tend to reactivate those hair follicles so they grow at a much faster rate than they have currently been doing. They can actually reverse hair loss. By applying or injecting these exosomes to your scalp, you reactivate those hair follicles and you end up regrowing a lot more hair. But it's not all sunshine and roses, because there are some people it's not going to work for. Exosomes are particularly used for people with early to moderate hair thinning. If you're completely bald and you've got nothing going on at all, then you probably do need a transplant. But if you're in that early to moderate thinning stage, a bit like myself in this area over here, then exosomes could be the perfect treatment for you. And they're not only for people who've had no success with PRP. You can use them as the first line, and it tends to be better than PRP overall, is what the results are showing at the moment. But it's not a mutually exclusive thing, because you can combine PRP with exosomes for even higher results, because they work on two different mechanisms to achieve the same outcome. So the results are additive, not destructive. So at Royal Wharf Clinic, we offer two different options. You can have exosomes solo by itself, which will work very, very well. Or you can have the most optimal, let's say ultimate version of it, which is exosomes plus PRP. And that's going to be the most effective non-surgical hair restoration treatment that you can do. We've been doing it for a little while and we're seeing faster growth, better scalp health, and real change in just a few sessions. What type of patient is this best for? It's for those people with early to moderate hair thinning. And this is for both males and females, because there's no hormones involved. Both men and women can get this treatment done and they will both see results really, really well. However, if you've got severe hair loss, severe meaning Norwood grade 5 or above, where the entire scalp is affected, then you might still need a transplant in order to get that sorted. But if your hair loss is not that bad, it's an early to moderate hair thinning stage, then exosomes and PRP could be the treatment that you need to recover your hair and get back to a normal life. So book your free consultation with us at Royal Wharf Clinic and we'll create a personalized custom plan for you with no surgery and no downtime. So exosomes are here and the future of non-surgical hair restoration has arrived.